Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. Welcome to the Chakaverse. He out speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We out making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chaka Crypto, and this is the Chakaverse, where we cover crypto news, NFTs, metaverse, and everything in between. And today I got another Verasity video for you. Let me go ahead and pull up the Verasity Twitter, which is Verasity at Verasity Tech. It's on Twitter, and they got a Medium out that I want to read. Might be a little lengthy video because I'm going to go ahead and read the whole thing. Price has been doing very well lately. Of course, it's going with the market, but anyways, here is the Verasity Medium. It's on the Twitter, of course, and I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to read it, and just read it yourself. So it is right here. So what's really in store for Verasity VRA in 2023? Find out in our roadmap deep dive article where we explain in detail what improvements and milestones we'll be delivering this year. Read the full article down below. This is the article. It says Verasity Roadmap 2023 Deep Dive. Let's go ahead and check that out. And like I said, it's a pretty long article. I think YouTube will cut it up into chapters. So if you're watching this video and you want to skip ahead, there should be chapters down below that you can jump to. So Verasity Roadmap 2023 Deep Dive. It says Verasity recently released one of the most detailed and ambitious roadmaps to date for 2023, focused mainly on commercial goals for Veraviews and the rollout for the Vera card. It's packed full of product updates and exciting new features, both for our business to business, B2B offerings, and for you, our valued crypto community users. Important to note with this year's roadmap is that many of the Veraviews milestones are actually improvements. As with any good product, we will continuously improve on what we offer. However, the core Veraviews advertising stack with Veracity's patent proof of view technology is commercially ready and rolling out to publishers. This is also reflected in our upcoming events and sponsored partnerships such as DMEXCO and the new Digital Age Heroes Awards for publishers. These events are no longer simply to evaluate the market or establish if there is need for Veraviews need for Veraviews. Instead, they are to use the extensive and expert business development team we assembled through 2022 to onboard users to Veraviews. In short, 2023 is a year of revenue growth, and our roadmap reflects this. So let's explore what's in store for 2023. So this is Q1 2023. Veraviews, onboarding new ad partners and publishers, an ongoing and self-explanatory roadmap item, but perhaps our most important for Q1 2023, and indeed the rest of the year. As we shared above, Veraviews is commercially ready. We built a strong business development team in 2022, hiring senior commercial talent based in London, our key initial market and one of the most important hubs for advertising markets worldwide. We will continue to expand our business development team throughout 2023 and onboard new advertising partners and publishers. This in return will lead to market demand for VRA used within the Veraviews ad stack. For more information on how VRA from the circulating supply is used in Veraviews, watch this simple explainer video. Let's go ahead and check out this video. Okay, this is the video. It's 10 minutes long, so we're just going to skim through it because I'm already going to read the rest of the Medium.
Tokens, of which there's 90 billion, and the VRA token board here. I've got my Google Jamboard open. This is how we store data within the Veraviews ecosystem.
All right, so there's a good video there for you to watch, good information there. I found it on their Medium. Just click the right here where it says simple explainer video. That simple explainer video is 10 minutes long, so we're not going to go ahead and watch the whole thing. And then number 2 is the Veraviews IVT detection algorithms improvement via machine learning. New technologies are constantly emerging that allows us to make ad fraud detection smarter and more powerful. One of these technologies is machine learning, which we are deploying to protect advertisers and publishers from fraud. Machine learning algorithms can be applied to detect advertising fraud in various ways. In click fraud detection, machine learning modules can analyze use behavior patterns to identify suspicious clicks that might indicate fraudulent activity. This can be accomplished by examining factors such as the number of clicks from a single IP address, the speed at which the clicks are generated, and the frequency of clicks from a particular device. The machine learning module can then generate a score for each click based on these factors, which can be used to determine if the click is genuine or fraudulent. Another way machine learning can be used to detect advertising fraud is through the analysis of ad placement. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the placement of advertisements and detect patterns that might indicate fraudulent activities, such as advertisements being displayed in hidden locations or not being shown to real users. This can help advertisers and publishers to identify and prevent fraud before it leads to significant financial loss. Veriviews enhances this even further by using our patent proof of view module and open ledger backend to store data transparently and auditable on chain. Veriviews is composed of 13 separate modules, including artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) modules. We're providing best-in-class invalid traffic IVT and bot detection, and this means incorporating and leveraging the latest technologies in our ad stack as they become available. We're now working on an integration with a machine learning module, which will further enhance Veriview's ability to prevent ad fraud and make our solutions even more attractive to new clients. And then we got number 3, Veriviews set up knowledge base for publishers, including integration info. The Veriviews knowledge base will be the key source of information for publishers and their development team to integrate Veriviews. It will include detailed guides, video explainers, and walkthroughs for all steps of integration and campaign management. While current clients are onboarded manually through a guided process with the Veriviews team, we expect there to be a time in the near future where the number of publishers using our solutions will require us to have a knowledge base FAQ for self-guided onboarding. Excuse me. Of course, the Veriviews technical team will always be on hand to provide support. Okay, then we got number 4, Veriviews new integration option available for non-Brightcove publishers. At the beginning of 2022, we announced that we had partnered with NASDAQ-listed marketplace Brightcove, a major video technology provider to over 30,000 web publishers worldwide. Later in the year, in August, we announced that Veriviews had delivered the first third-party developed ad support plugin for the Brightcove web player. Brightcove is a great start for Veriviews. However, there are several video platforms worldwide, and some large-scale publishers even deploy their own tailor-made video players. Veriviews transparent both prevention technology will also be available to every publisher on any platform, and after several inbound requests, we've begun developing support for any publisher platform. This will make integration even easier and means Veriviews will be able to be deployed across any video play with just a few lines of code. In other words, it opens up a vast number of new prospective clients for Veriviews. Excuse me. So that's one of the reasons why Veracity caught my attention, was the Veriviews and the patent, the proof of views, that if other platforms wanted to use that proof of views platform that they have, they're going to have to, pay for it. So Veriviews, number 5, user management functionality for publishers for multiple admins, a housekeeping but very important functionality roadmap item. Our enhanced users management functionality will enable multiple admins to be added to a Veriviews campaign management account. This is especially important for larger publishers where multiple teams manage the advertising parameters. We will add in-user role functionality, allowing publisher admins to invite entire teams and set roles for more seamlessly managed campaign. That's cool. That's not something I'm really interested in there, the management for multiple publishers, but that's cool. Vera Wallet, DAMEX app integration. The VRA token will be listed on the DAMEX app in preparation for the rollout of the Vera card. This will be the first step towards making the Vera card available for order, which will be a Verasity branded card issued by DAMEX or DAMEX. We'll soon have information on how to get started on DAMEX and how to add your VRA on their wallet. Start by downloading the DAMEX wallet from Android or iOS here. We'll click on that link, see if it even goes to it. DAMEX.io, join the waiting list. Okay, I'll read more up on this on the DAMEX.io. And go ahead and put out a video on what that is. And Vera Wallet, Vera card initially available to UK residents. A new way to spend VRA at physical and online stores. Now, this is strictly going to be for the UK. We released the sneak peek of our new Vera card last week, which we were very pleased to see get a big thumbs up from our community. We're going to follow this with a full video intro showing the design of the Vera card and include information on how to sign up to be amongst the first to receive a Vera card. Once again, UK only. We'll be rolling out our Vera card to UK customers first and then exploring other jurisdictions in Europe. We have some exciting launch plans to keep an eye on our socials for more information. Then we have the VeraPay, and this is all a roadmap coming, what they are predicting for 2023. This is what their plans are. And VeraPay, native payment app for select countries, proof of concept. A payment app is a mobile application that allows just users to send and receive money electronically. Payment apps typically allow users to link their bank accounts and credit cards and can be used to pay for goods and services online, transfer money to other users, and more. So VeraPay, I wonder if you're going to have to KYC. See, for Verasity, a payment app would naturally make a VR. Well, yeah, you do have to KYC if you're linking your bank account, and that's going to be all your information. For Verasity, a payments app would naturally make use of VRA as a utility token with the app and enable the use of VRA to facilitate payments and transactions. This would bring more utility to VRA. Let's see, owing to the success, security, and features of the wallet, the Vera wallet, and the hotly anticipated rollout of Vera card, Verasity will explore the launch of a payment app during Q1 2023. For selected countries, especially those where traditional financial services are scarce. More information will be available later this quarter. And then we have number 9, Verasity Crew 3 community launch. Build stronger communities. All right, Crew 3 is a community building tool for Web3 projects. It's rapidly becoming one of the most exciting ways to build meaningful and long-lasting engagements with crypto communities around the world. We'll be launching our Crew 3 account this quarter to give you more ways than ever before to get involved with Verasity and get rewarded for your support. Crew 3 community launch. Definitely be reading more up on that. Then Quarter 2, 2023, Vera views advertisers development statistic backend. Advertisers running video advertising campaigns can benefit from various statistics such as reach, impressions, viewability, completion rate, and engagement metrics. Reach is the total number of unique viewers that have seen the ad, and impressions are the total number of times the ad has been seen. Viewability is the percentage of views that were viewable, which is important for understanding the ad's effectiveness. The completion rate is the percentage of viewers who watch the entire ad, and this is a good indicator of user engagement with the advertisement. Engagement metrics such as clicks, shares, and comments can help measure an ad's success and provide insight into how viewers are responding to it. With this With these statistics, advertisers can better understand the performance of their video and campaigns and make more informed decisions in the future. For Veriviews, it's important that we provide publishers and advertisers with statistics about video advertising campaigns running through our ad stack, as it allows them to track the performance of their campaign and make informed decisions on how to optimize them. This data could help advertisers identify which videos or web properties are performing well and which need more attention. This ensures that Veriviews is a highly effective solution for publishers and makes our advertising stacks attractive and effective for future publishing partners. We will enhance our statistics backend through Q2 2023. Then we have Veriviews, ads text, automation, dynamically updated ads.tx. Ads.txt is a simple, flexible, and secured method for publishers to declare who is authorized to sell their inventory. It's an IAB initiative that helps prevent counterfeit inventories and improve transparency to the programmatic advertising ecosystem. Ads.txt, ads.text file is a plain text file that is placed on the publisher's website and is easily accessible for ad exchange, supply-side platforms, and other third-party companies to access and verify. Ads.text is important for video advertisers. Because it helps ensure that they're buying ads from legitimate networks and publishers. It provides a list of authorized digital sellers of inventory, which helps buyers avoid fraud and invalid traffic. Ads.text also helps buyers to make sure that their ads are reaching their intended audience, as opposed to being redirected to a low-value website or app. In addition, Ads.text helps buyers to reduce the risk of buying counterfeit inventory, as an unauthorized reseller or broker would be flagged and discarded. Veriviews will enable publishers to automatically and dynamically update their ads.text to ensure that they're only accessing the best quality of adverts available to them. This is a core functionality for the Veriviews and will make our ad stack even more powerful. Then we have the Vera Wallet, new UI design. The Vera Wallet website has recently been redesigned. We'll now update the UI inside the wallet's login interface to match our new style and improve the user's experience further. Number 4, VeraPay native payment app prototype. Q1 progress from the VeraPay payments app will be proof of concept, whereas Q2 will be a prototype rollout for select users. A prototype app is an early version of the mobile application that helps developers test and refine the user's experience before its release. Okay. It is typically designed to show the basic features of an app and may not include all of the features that will be included in the final product. So it's a beta, yeah. This allows developers to make changes and refinements based on users' feedback before launching the app. That's good. We will include information on how to access the prototype and give us your feedback closer to its release. Verasity.io website update. The Verasity.io website will receive a full refresh in line with our current branding. We'll also be releasing a brand positioning deck to make Verasity more recognizable and help influencers, YouTubers, and journalists cover our brand and share our vision. This is more than simply shipping a new website. It's the beginning of a new and commercially focused era for Verasity that will solidify our brand in the blockchain industry and serve our B2B audience. We'll be launching a dedicated Verasity blog and learning center in place. We'll be launching a dedicated Verasity blog and learning center in place of our Medium, and we will maximize accessibility for new users to our ecosystem. Then you have the Veriviews Cannes Lions 2023 event, the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity. And if I'm saying Cannes wrong, could be, I think it's Cannes. Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity is an annual event held in Cannes, France, which celebrates the best of creativity in the fields of advertising, design, film, and more. It's It is considered the world's most prestigious and influential celebration of creativity in communications and advertising, and is attended by more than 14,000 delegates from around the world. Last year, we hosted a hugely successful networking event with over 60 delegates from the advertising industry. There have been calls to host this event again this year, which will, however, we will have bigger plans for Cannes Lions 2023. Not only will our full business development team be attending, but we will be ramping up the branding, the demos, and signups this year. We also have plans for other Verasity sponsored events during the week, which we will detail closer to the time. Like I said, this is a long medium, and I'm going to go ahead and just read it all. Let's see. Payment closer to time. And I lost my spot. Oh, okay. We're down here. Number 3, Vera Wallet, Vera Card available to European residents. Following the successful rollout of the Vera Card to UK customers, we will expand our rollout to European residents in phases according to regulatory approval in each jurisdiction. We will have dedicated landing pages for tracking when and where the Vera Card is available during our rollout. Users will have the opportunity to register their interest for a Vera Card in the jurisdiction shortly before release. Vera Wallet notification updates, email and within Vera Wallet. A short but necessary update to how we notify users of change, staking, rewards, withdrawal requests, and other information for Vera Wallet. As Vera Wallet becomes a more central piece of Verasity ecosystem, with the addition of our payment network, we will be making constant improvements to the user experience. VeraViews DMEXCO 2023 event is an annual digital marketing and tech conference in Cologne, Germany. It is the largest and most important event for digital marketing and technology in Europe, gathering more than 40,000 people from all over the world. It is an important event for advertisers. It provides a platform to gain insight into the latest trends and topics in the digital marketing space, as well as the opportunity to network with industry leaders and potential partners. DMEXCO also hosts a wide range of workshops and talks offering practical advice and tips to help marketers succeed in the digital world. It is also a great opportunity to learn about the latest trends and technologies being used by the most successful companies, giving advertisers an edge when it comes to staying ahead of the competition. The full VeraViews business development and marketing teams will be attending DMEXCO. I feel like this is repeating itself. We will detail our full list of events for DMEXCO, DMEXCO closer to the time, although we will likely build on our 2022 network event and expand it out to more delegates. Then we have the VeraViews Major UK-based Publisher Award sponsorship. VeraViews is sponsoring the New Digital Age Heroes Award, one of the largest advertising events in the UK and landmark event of London advertising calendar. We will release more detail of what the event entails closer to the time. Learn more here. Let's see if this link works. And it goes to their Twitter and a link to that. So if you guys want to check that out, that's there. It works. Q4 2023, VeraViews, ad relevance management for publishers. Audience blacklists. Ad relevance management for publishers refers to the process of optimizing the relevance of advertisements shown on publishers' websites or apps to increase engagement and revenue. This includes selecting appropriate advertisements based on the content of the publisher's website, audience, demographics, and other factors, as well as adjusting the placement and frequency of ad to improve the user's experience. By managing ad relevance, publishers can ensure that their advertising space is being used effectively and that their users are more likely to engage with the advertisements they see. Similarly, audience blacklists in advertising are list of users or groups of users who are excluded from being shown certain advertisements. These blacklists are used to prevent ads from being shown to certain audiences for various reasons, such as the audience not being relevant to the product being advertised or to comply with local regulations regarding certain types of advertisements. This allows advertisers to tailor their campaigns more effectively and ensure that their ads are being shown to the right people. Verviews will ensure that this audience blacklisting and ad relevance capabilities are market leading, meeting and exceeding current standards and complementing our transparent, powerful ad stack. Then we have number 2, Vero Wallet, Transact, integration, improvements, and automation. We're going to make it easier to transact VRA through the Vero Wallet interface in association with Transact. This includes a review of pairing and also the option to automate regular purchase of VRA. Vero Wallet major UX and UI improvements. Finally, we plan to ship more UX and UI improvements to Vero Wallet to make it one of the most recognizable, stable, and secure cryptocurrency wallets in the industry based on user feedback we gather through 2023. An exciting year ahead. There's little doubt that 2023 is set to be one of the biggest years of Verasity to date, with fundamental shifts in our commercial readiness and a laser-sharp focus of business development and adoption. Verasity is poised for a year of adoption and welcoming enterprise partners. We're grateful to have all the Verasitians with us for the journey, and we look forward to rolling out updates continuously this year. And like I said, this is their roadmap. They still have to deliver. It sounds nice, but they still have to deliver, and they still have to complete a couple things from 2022. If you go back and look at the 2022, what they said that was going to be coming out, I'm still hopeful. I'm still in Verasity because I'm starting to, really like this project. I've jumped in it because originally it was the proof of views that caught my attention, and I can just imagine where that can go if that catches traction. But it's nice to see a project have a very extended roadmap in coming up in 2023, but they still have to deliver. This project still has to deliver. And if you are somebody from the team in Verasity, I would love to have you on the channel and just give us more information where we're at on the roadmap and just keep us up to date with Verasity. So if you are part of the Verasity team and you want to join the Chakaverse, you're more than welcome. Just hit me up. And that's all I got for you today. That is my Verasity update. It was more of a lengthy video than I usually do, but I wanted to read that whole medium. And like I said, Verasity still has to deliver, but it's nice to know that they still have a plan. And that's all I got for you today. I'm Chaka Crypto. This is the Chakaverse, and I'll see you guys in the metaverse. Peace.
Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chakaverse. He out speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We out making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.